In this video, we are going to see how we can contact the YouTube customer support, especially if you are into YouTube partner program. That means you have a monetized channel and you want the support about that. Maybe your channel is having security issues or something else. What you can do is first head over to the YouTube studio. For example, if you are on your channel like this, you need to head over to this top right hand corner and switch to YouTube studio. And from here, you get this little option that says chat with creator support. Click on that and you will fill in all of your details, what issues you are facing, like YouTube security or YouTube account hacked, something like that. You write your concerns and it will immediately initiate a chat, or otherwise you can get all of that guidance. And if your issue is not resolved, you click on no, I need more help, and finally it should redirect you to the customer support with the real person. And just remember that if you're having serious issues on YouTube, let's say that your YouTube account is hacked, all you have to do is just head over to Twitter and contact Team YouTube and mention your concern. So they will respond you fastly and will definitely help you recover your account. So just remember Team YouTube, find it on Twitter and just message them about your concern along with the screenshots if you have any proofs, and that will be very helpful for you. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.